Wet clothes after a wash, washing machine not draining the water properly, well, 9 times out of 10 a blocked pump will be the cause. So let's fix it. This is a washing machine pump. It's a motorised impeller with a filter on the front. Now it's designed to pump out all wastewater after a washing cycle. The filter though can get blocked by hair and fabric and other foreign objects. In fact, the most common culprits are coins and hair grips. As always, before we do any maintenance on any kitchen appliance, make sure it's all safely turned off. With most machines, to get to the pump and filter, you'll first need to remove the bottom access panel. Now, there's going to be a lot of excess water in the machine, so you're going to need something like this, a shallow tray. It needs to be shallow enough to fit underneath the filter, but deep enough to hold water, so a shallow baking tray is perfect. Open the filter cover part way and drain the water. You'll want to make sure all the water is drained out before opening the filter cover fully, because there may be quite a lot. So this is what you'd expect to see. Ugh. Lots of reasons why this poor little filter can't do its job and empty the machine of water. Now this is where you have to get your finger in. Make sure you clear out everything from inside, including around the impeller. You'd be amazed at what wonders you might find. So let me show you on my demo what I've done there. So inside here is the impeller. You get your finger in there and clear it all out. Now the impeller should spin, but there will be some resistance. The last thing to do is give the filter a good clean under warm water. It really can be as simple as that to sort the washing machine that won't drain. To order any replacement parts like pumps or filters, or to book your local Indesit engineer, visit indesitservice.co.uk.